In this video, we're going to learn how to edit module settings. In this example, these modules have been set up to have prerequisites, meaning that students will have to complete the previous course materials before they can move on to subsequent materials. In this example, it's noted that students must complete the content in the Engage sequence before they can move on to the Explore sequence. Prerequisites are one of the features that may be adjusted in the module settings. To edit the module settings, click the Options icon, which is denoted by 3 dots. Click Edit. In the Edit Module settings, we can edit the title of the module. We can choose to lock the module until a specific date. Once we check the box, we are given an option to select a date using the calendar. You can toggle this option on and off. The prerequisite options will only appear if there are modules before the module that we are editing. To select prerequisites, click the drop-down menu. Select the modules that are prerequisites or should be completed prior to gaining access to the current module. In this case, we have selected the Engage module. The requirements options allow us to add requirements before students can progress through the module. Setting a requirement means that a student must complete content in the module for the module to be considered finished or complete. To view the options, click the Add Requirement link. One of the requirement options includes students must complete all of these requirements. This means that all requirements listed in the drop-down boxes must be completed for the module to be considered finished. Also note that under this option, there is an option to require students to move through the module in sequential order. This means that anything listed in the drop-down boxes must be completed in the order that they appear in the module. If you select students must complete one of these requirements, then students only need to complete one of the listed requirements in order to consider the module complete. Once you've added the requirements, click Update Module. We've selected the requirement to complete all items, and we see that this option now appears in the module title. And that concludes our overview of adjusting module settings.